In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can make a manual adjustment to a calculation or a commission calculation. So let's say I'm going to go to look at the year-end cash bonus. I see the crediting, I see the rewards, and I realize that actually Daniel didn't meet the threshold, and so he isn't getting any annual bonus compared to others who were able to sell above 10,000. But let's say management's decided that Daniel actually did do a great job. He helped out his colleagues, so it's as simple as saying, okay, we're going to give Daniel, he went above and beyond. Good job. And it's as simple as saying, let's give him $100. And then in most cases you're going to leave these unchecked, but if in your situation they apply, you can check off those. But let's now go back and see, and now right there you can see he's been awarded a cash reward. We have our documentation went above and beyond. Good job. And also if you were to go back now to the main calculation tab, you're actually going to see right there on the year-end cash bonus. Now you can actually see it includes a manual reward worth $100, and open the calculation for more information. So other ways you can adjust commissions is obviously to fix your sales data and recalculate, rerun the calculation. Or if you realize that your commission plan is actually not set up correctly, you can obviously go back and change your commission plan setup for the rules to be correct and recalculate. Thanks for watching.